Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Stripe and HubSpot. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new subscription in Stripe, we want to create contacts in HubSpot automatically. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Stripe is an online payment processing software, whereas HubSpot is a sales and marketing software application. Though Stripe and HubSpot have some native integration between them, but this native integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect will help us to transfer data from Stripe to HubSpot. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. So this is Pabbly's website and from here you have to go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign in. Now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free. So now I'll go down and here at Pabbly Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard over here. Now let's create a new workflow. So let us name this Stripe to HubSpot. Okay, so create. So here you can see a trigger dialog box is present over here when this happens, and you can add action steps by clicking on this plus button from here. Okay, so our goal here is to integrate Stripe with HubSpot. Okay, so here what we want to do is we want to integrate Stripe with HubSpot. But in order to do that, what we have to do is first we have to integrate Stripe with Pabbly Connect and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with HubSpot. So that is why first I am going to choose Stripe over here. And now we need to create a new customer. Our condition was that whenever there is a new Stripe subscription, we want to create HubSpot contacts. That is why I am going to select new customer over here. Okay, so you can see this webhook URL. So now after this process, what we have to do is we have to copy this webhook URL from here and we have to go and paste this inside Stripe. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. You can read the instructions and follow them and go to Stripe. Okay, so you can see this developers over here. You can select it and here is webhook. So I'm going to select it. So now we are going to add the webhook URL over here. So I'll paste it. So description, you don't have to worry. In events to send, because we want that every new Stripe subscription should be created as contact in HubSpot. That is why I am going to select customer subscription created. So now I'm going to add the endpoint. So you can see our webhook is enabled. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and now let us capture the webhook response. Okay, so now you can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now we'll go back to Stripe, create a new subscription and see if Pabbly Connect captures the data or not. So I'll go to Stripe. We'll go to customers, subscriptions. So let us add a new subscription. So let me enter a new customer. Okay, so the new customer is Ria Matthew. Okay. Ria Matthew @gmail.com. So let us enter a number. Okay, so we have done this. Now let us go down. Now all these information we don't require, so I'll just add the customer. Okay, so we have got her here. So now product, let me choose this t-shirt. Okay, so I'll go down and here if you want you can add a payment method, but I'll just select this option over here. So I'll start the subscription. Okay, so you can see we have added this subscription of Ria Matthew over here. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see this webhook response over here. That means we have got the data from Stripe because of the webhook. So now I'm going to save this. Okay. So in this information, you can see we have all the information that we require, but it doesn't have any information related to the customer. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to retrieve our customer by adding one more action step. So I am going to choose Stripe again. And in choose method, I am going to select retrieve a customer. So there are many methods available. You can choose whichever you want. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So I'll choose retrieve a customer. Okay, so now why we are doing this step? Because we want to retrieve the customer's details. Okay, so now connect with Stripe. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the credentials. In Bearer Token, we have to get our API key. So you can read this, log into your Stripe account. You can find secret key by navigating to developers, API keys, add secret key as Bearer Token. So let's go to Stripe, developers, and I'm going to select API keys. So now let us create a new secret key. So I'll name it as Stripe to HubSpot. So I'll create this. Okay, so you can see this. So I'm going to copy it. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Save. Okay, so now it requires a customer ID. So I'll map this customer ID. So this is the customer ID starting with CUS. Okay, so now save and send test request. Okay, so we have got the API response. That means we have integrated Pabbly Connect with Stripe properly. And now let us see if our customer's details are here or not. You can see the email is here, the name is here. So we have retrieved the customer's details as well. So I'll save this. Okay, so now we have finished our first step, that is integrating Stripe with Pabbly Connect. Now our second step is to integrate Pabbly Connect with HubSpot. That is why I am going to select on this action button over here. So this is the action dialog box, and now I am going to select HubSpot over here. You can see this. Okay, so now our aim was that whenever there is a new Stripe subscription, we want to create a contact in HubSpot. That is why I am going to select create a contact here. You can see there are many methods available over here. You can choose whichever you want. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now I'm going to connect with HubSpot CRM. Okay, so this is asking me an API key. You can read the instructions and follow it. So I'll go to HubSpot, and here you have to go to settings. Okay, so here you can see integration. So I'm going to select API key. Okay, so here is the API key. I'm going to show. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. I'm going to save it. Okay, so now we have all these blank fields. Let us map these details. Email. Okay, name. Here. Last name not required, website, all these things we don't require. Let's get the phone number. Okay, rest is not required. Let us save and send test request. Okay, we have got the API response. That means our integration is successful. We have got the data from HubSpot. Now let us go to HubSpot and see if this contact is created there or not. So I'll go to HubSpot, and from here I am going to go to contacts. Okay, so you can see Ria Matthew, the email and the number. That means we have integrated Stripe with HubSpot successfully. Now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this happens in real time. So I'll go to Stripe. Let us close this. Customers, and from here subscriptions. So let us create a new subscription. Okay, so I'll add a new customer. Okay. Okay, email. I'll add a number. Add a customer. Okay, so product, let me choose. It's done. Email invoices. Let us start the subscription. Okay, so we have created a new subscription here at Stripe. Let's go to HubSpot and see if a new contact is created or not. So I'll just refresh this. You can see Angela, Fiona, we have got the details again. So here what would have happened? First the information would have gone from Stripe to Pabbly Connect, and then the information would have been transferred from Pabbly Connect to HubSpot. That means now whenever there is a new subscription in Stripe, a contact will be created in HubSpot automatically.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.